How ready? You are ready, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's say the slogan again. So Vida Divina, Vida Divina, Vida Divina. Very good. So I'll show you where the chamber is. So Vida Divina has the best and lucrative compensation plan you could ever think about. We have the best compensation plan you could ever think about. So there are 11 active ways. No, don't bother about what is there. Just listen to me. Okay. So there are 11 active ways you can make money from this business opportunity. 11 active ways. And I'm telling you, we have the best compensation plan which you are yet to understand. Vida Divina has 11 active ways. So we have like retail profits, we have fast track bonus, we have sales from your replicated site, we have binary payout, we have check match bonus, we have roll up fast track bonus, we have star points award, home mortgage plans. We have so there are 11 active ways. But I'll just tell you about the salient and the quick ones you can make money from when you join. There are complicated ones that it comes on like on autopiloting mode. Okay, that's very great. So yeah, if you're sitting here, I know that the question you'll be asking yourself. Hope we can all see. Hope you can all see from here. So there are 11 active ways you can make money from Vida Divina, as I said. So as you sit here today, I know you've been thinking, okay, so I want to join. I want to, embark on this business opportunity. To join Vida Divina, we have what we call startup franchise or startup pack, or how much you are starting with. And Vida Divina startup franchise is very they are strict. So 4 startup franchise. We have the $120 pack, we have the $300 pack, we have the $600 pack, and we have the $1,200 pack. Okay. So $1,200 pack. So these are what we call the startup franchise. So $120, we have $300, we have $600, and we have $1,200. Okay. I want to use someone. How should I use? No, who is new here today? Because you are new. Okay. So what's your name? Okay. Eric. So Eric wants to join Vida Divina. Eric, I've told you we have $120, you have $300, you have $600, and $1,000. Eric, go into your soul, go into your bank account. How much do you want to start with? $300. I always count. Okay, that's me. When I was starting Vida Divina, I started with $120. And the last money. It was my alpha and omega. If Vida Divina were to be a scam, that's someone to me omega. So Eric, right? Yes. Eric joined Vida Divina with $300. My brothers and sisters, Vida Divina is a zero-risk business opportunity. Let's all say zero risk. Zero risk. Okay. So Eric joined Vida Divina with $300. How much is $300 in Ghana cedis? That would be like. Okay, so let's say 1,500 Ghana cedis, right? Okay, so Eric joined his business opportunity with 1,500 Ghana cedis. I told you Vida Divina is a zero-risk business opportunity. Why? Because after Eric registered to this, we give Eric free equivalent products. So say free equivalent products. Yeah. Okay, so my brother told you about detox tea, Gano, Chaga. But the good thing about Vida Divina is that all the startup products you get from Vida Divina, irrespective of the startup pack you pick, you only get tea for start. Okay, so when Eric registered with $300, that's 1,500 Ghana cedis. Eric is going to get 48 sachets of the tea. 48 sachets of the tea. If Eric came in with $120, he was going to get 18. $300 you get 48. $600 you get 90 what?
6.
92, eh? And $1,200 you get 100. So this will be 96. Okay. So Vida Divina gives you free equivalent product. After registering, we give you free equivalent product back. That makes it a zero-risk business opportunity. And let me explain that. With a $300 pack, which is 1,500 Ghana cedis, you get 48 sachets of the tea. Okay. We retail each pack of the tea at 70 Ghana cedis. So at 70 cedis. So calculate 70 times 48. Okay, so it's going to give you 3,360 Ghana cedis. So Eric came in, registered. Oh, I've heard about this guy. He's saying sweet things about Vida Divina. Like they all cannot add. So I want to join this business opportunity. He came in with $300, 1,500 Ghana cedis. Eric gets free equivalent products back, 48 sachets of the tea. Retail of that product is going to give him 3,360 Ghana cedis. So Vida Divina gives you a 100% profit range. 100% profit range. That makes it a zero risk business opportunity. But at the end of the day, you are going to make like almost times 2 your amount of money back. If you retail the product at 70 Ghana cedis per each pack of the tea. And one pack of the tea is going to take you for what? A week, okay? And I always tell people this gives you the leverage. Because I know other companies that even after signing up, the product you get, if you sell the product, you get only like 100 cedis profit. But still people are signing up. So if you are signing up to Vida Divina and you are even getting product that gives you a 100% profit range, it gives you the liberty to even moderate the price of your product to suit your available market. So if I stay in East Legon, I could retail my product at 7 cedis because people around me make money. If I stay somewhere around Choco and Probi, and I know people around me can't really afford the product at 7 cedis, I can moderate the price, even sell it at 50 cedis. In that sense, I'm not losing. I'm still going to get around 50% profit on my initial startup. I'm still winning, right? So Vida Divina is a zero risk business opportunity. In the sense that somebody could even go and borrow money. So let's say you want to sign, you don't have money. There's $120 here, which is around 600 Ghana cedis. You can go and borrow money, right? You borrow money 600 cedis, you get product 18, you retail, you get 1,260 Ghana cedis. You've doubled your money. You retain the person's money, but now you are a business owner. Now it makes you a CEO. Now you are going to employ people because anybody you sign, you employ the person. So Vida Divina makes you a CEO, but people don't know. So people think if you are a network marketer, like I'm a CEO. I have my back office. When I log in, I see my employees under me, whether they like it or not. I brought you to this business opportunity. So Vida Divina, if you've registered, everybody here is a CEO if you've registered. That's why you have your back office, and only you can open that back office because only you have the key to the door. That makes you a legitimate CEO. Okay. So now Eric registered, got product, sold, make his money back. This should be like it should be enough. And Mawekra is even a fair game because it's like Tonaton. You understand? That's what our mothers do. They go and buy goods from the warehouse, come and sell, make their profits. After that, go and buy. Even with this one alone, trust me, people can make billions of money from this, from just retail. Because that's what everybody does. All the shops you see around, they go to the manufacturer, they go and buy, they come and sell, put their profit margins on itself. So this alone is very comfortable. But this is just one way of making money from Vida Divina. So 2, we have what we call sales from your replicated site. So as Eric joined Vida Divina, Eric will be given a site name that will say www.eric.vidadivina.com. Sales from your replicated site. So sales from site. Actually, those times, I trust that he's representing complaint. And then okay, so sales from your replicated site. Okay, so Eric joins Vida Divina. Eric made his initial investment by product retail. Now, Eric gets a site name that will say maybe www.eric.vidadivina.com. Eric will send those site names to maybe Eric has friends in Canada, even in Ghana, but people that are not closer to him, they want to buy the product. Eric can just give the site name to them. Oh, go to this site name and just buy the product. So the people go there and buy. They can walk into the Ghana office, pick their product. Or maybe they are in Canada, they are in US. The company ships it to them. Eric has nothing to do with that. But as far as they are purchasing products from Eric's site name, any amount of products they purchase, Eric gets 50% of that amount. Hope we get that. Yeah. So those are site names that you could really give out to people you trust. Because there are a lot of bad boys on the internet. People use fake ID cards. Fake credit cards to buy products from your site name. And when it happens like that, you have a very big question to answer with the company. Because this is secured banking. Like you can't use a stolen credit card to buy from Vida Divina because it's your account. Your name is being registered there. So at the end of the day, if they trace and see that it's your site name, they'll take back all their money. If you are not lucky, they'll terminate your account. So I always tell people that I give the site name to people you trust, people you know that like they are good, they buy with genuine cards. Okay. So this is an online system, like an electronic way of making money from Vida Divina. Okay. So Eric may be making good money from here. people could buy anything from his back office, making comfortable money. Now, this Eric came in with $300, right? Make 1,000, that's 1,500, make 3,360. Now, Eric has tasted a good nectar of Vida Divina, but this is a business opportunity where you could never be you can't be selfish. You have to help people make money, and that's why Vida Divina is so good. Vida Divina is the only venue where you don't teach people, like you don't give people fish, you teach them how to fish. But after teaching people to make money and helping them make money, you also make extra money. So you are helping people, but you are helping yourself at the long run. Okay, so now Eric has to bring in business partners, friends and family, people you know, and that's where the problem comes, right? But that's the easiest part of this company. So Eric, you are supposed to register at least 2 people. Choose any of them. Choose anybody. You can just choose anybody. He's already. Akoto is a grandpa. Where is Bright? Okay. So and Samuel. So Eric wants to register Bright and Samuel. So Samuel, which pack are you coming in with? 120. Somebody else on the massive. And see, 120. You want to tell them what it's only 150. You don't want to jump into it. Okay. So Samuel came in with $120. You should note, $120. Samuel is going to get 18 packs of the tea. $120 is around 600 Ghana cedis. The 18 packs of the tea retail. Samuel is going to make how much? 1,260 Ghana cedis. Someone has made his money. Bright, how much are you registering with? Although you've already registered. $600. $600. That's right. Okay, so Bright came in with $600. Okay, $600 is around 2,700 Ghana cedis. Okay, Bright is going to get free equivalent product of 96 packs of the tea. Retail of that will give you how much? 6,000. Something. So let's say Richard is now making 6,000. I know 360 Ghana cedis. Okay, sounds like that. Okay. So now these people have all registered. They've doubled their money. But Vida Divina is the only network marketing company that gives you a fast track bonus of 50%. There's no network marketing company in existence that does that. 50% fast track bonus. Let's all say 50%. 50%. So you understand where the Chempe Affairs starts from. So this is where you start the Chempe Affairs. 50% fast track bonus. And name all the companies around. Name them. About that, they don't even give fast track bonus. They give you product retail profits, product discounts. And anytime I pass there, I see young guys holding that thing. And I just respect their hustle. No, there was one time I got starched and I stopped by one of the guys and said, I brought a book all day. You know, I respect their hustle because I wish my Vida Divina affiliate would sell their products like that. And I asked myself, how much are these people making? Trust me, their profit margin is very tiny. They don't have fast track bonus, but they still believe in it. And you are here, you get 100% profit margin, you have 50% fast track bonus, and you complain this is difficult. And then you should go to Kenya, Sierra Leone. But this is child's play. This is where we've passed through a lot of hassles in life. This is no work for you. We're in Juma. Warm up. Before I say warm up. So Vida Divina is the only network marketing company that gives you 50% fast track bonus. This is what it means. Anybody you register to this business opportunity, you are going to be paid 50% of that person's money. So Eric registered Samuel. Samuel came in with $120. How much is Eric making? Bright came in with $600. How much is he making? So let's say these were the first 2 people he brought within his first week of signing up to Vida Divina. How much is he making? $360. How much is that in Ghana cedis? Calculate. $300 is around. $300 is around 1,500. $60 will be around 1,900. Okay, so $1,900 Ghana cedis. 1,900 Ghana cedis. Just by bringing just 2 business partners on board. And I always tell people this is the motivator of the whole game. Because when I joined Vida Divina, I told you that was my last money, right? That was my last 800 Ghana, and I'm using 600 Ghana free. So I registered with $1,000, $120. After that, I had to make my money back. So I have to look for people by fire by force. You have to register for me to make my money back. Okay. So I got the first person registered with $300. I made $150. The next person you need to with the Buniswa $60. So I registered 3 people within my first 24 hours. So within 24 hours, I made I made almost $270. That was like, so this is real. Then I'll kill myself. Then that's when I said, Vida, take me. Take me as I am. Anything I do is about Vida Divina. That's when I started changing like how I think. Like everything about me started changing, how I perceive things. So even when I want to buy a phone, I don't, after asking for the price of the phone, then I calculate. So how many people do I need to send to get flash card bonus to buy the phone? When I want to buy a shirt, that's why ask Felix. How much is it? Obviously, I ask, so how many people? 50% flash card bonus. Now they are cut off. So if you are Vida Divina fleet, now Hannah, then you are not serious. Because Vida gives you the leverage, like it's so sweet, 50%, and there's no network marketing company. When you read about them, from Kenkren to Krankra, I don't want to mention them. None of them even gives you closer to 20% fast track bonus. Should I mention them? Yes. Globe Rich, they give 7% fast track bonus. M Global give 10% fast track bonus. Yanum, they give 14% fast track bonus. I don't want to mention them. None. I researched all the network marketing companies in Ghana and in the existence. The best ones give closer to 30% fast track. Vida Divina gives you 50% fast track bonus. Ask me why. Why? This is a secret. Why? Vida Divina is for Armand Puyot and Armand Puyot alone. There is no third party with Vida Divina. So anybody that registers to Vida Divina, you are a direct stakeholder, direct partner with the company. That's why they split all their profit with you 50-50-50. The other network marketing companies, they don't stand alone. They are pharmaceutical people who comes with the product. They are businessmen who come with a business idea and they fuse it together. So at the end of the day, the business people take their profit